Gabriel used to live. Georgetown subdivision. Looks like a lot of water got into these homes.
This is where Gabriel used to, well, this is the outer part.
Yeah, but we're gonna go and see if it gets to where he used to live.
Oh my goodness.
No dice que no parecía que se había rebosado.
Well, it didn't seem like it, honey.
I kind of suspected this. I don't know.
You did?
That's why I came through here.
Well, how come they never said anything on the news about this?
They probably did, pero había otros que estaban mucho más bien nomás cuando. So evidently todas estas casas se llenaron de. This is why flood insurance is important. Even if you don't need it.